Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and get Robinhood API key. So as of now, Robinhood does not officially offer a public API key for retail users. They have an internal or private API used by their mobile and web apps, but it is not supported for public or third-party use. However, here are the only available option if you're looking to work with Robinhood data or trading. So this is the only option that I got. So this is the unofficial Robinhood API. So just use this with caution. So there are unofficial Robinhood APIs and Python wrappers like Robinhood stocks and the Robinhood API. So some are outdated or unreliable. So here are the basic steps using the Robinhood stocks. So first is to install it. So this is the text. So you can copy this. So this is the PIP install Robinhood stocks. And for the second one is to log in using your credentials. This is not an API key. So here you can copy this. So you can screenshot this and then copy and paste it. So this is a Python import Robinhood stocks dot Robinhood as R. So login equals r dot login, and then you're gonna put your username here and then your password. So just a warning, this method involves sending your login credentials and may break at any time. It's against Robinhood's terms of service and can lead to account suspension or bans. So that's basically it. This is the only option that I got from the internet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.